Today we're diving into Genspark. It's an all-in-one AI workspace backed with the top models. It can research, create and complete complex tasks independently, presentation, data analysis, brand designs and so much more. Let's go in. So first you go on Genspark.ai. After signing up you come to this page here. On the top you have the chat box and here are the different features like AI slides and so much more. We hop right into it, AI slides. We have the prompt of generating 10 slide presentation on the future of robotics and automation. We hit generate now, analyzes our prompt, doing all automatically. He's researching the topic. What used to take me 5 hours does it in 5 minutes. Now he gathered all information and he's creating now the slides. And as you can see, already the first slide is amazing. A modern slide with exactly the topic we wanted, with a background picture which fits it. Genspark is Silicon Valley's first AI agent unicorn, launching the next generation all-in-one AI workspace. 30 people, 1 billion valuation in just 6 months, taking on Google and Microsoft. 1 subscription, access to all top AI models, 1 interface, no more tool switching. And he's already finished, it took only some minutes. And here we are, we have a perfect presentation. Ready to use in school, study or anything else. It looks so astonishing, so good. The facts are just great here. It's a good overview about the topic of future of robotics. Very nice. Now we can edit some things here, like fix the layout, polish content, or we can select something and edit, like this one here. Rewrite the text in a shorter form. Hit enter, he's stating the selected part here, he's regenerating the slide, and seconds later we have our finished slide here. He's now prompting us what was before and what was after, and he did exactly a great job. He did not change the layout or anything else, just the text. Very easy, very nice. We can also manual editing here at advanced edit. So here we are at the editor, we can change things here like 1, 2, 3, he's saving it, and if we go back, we have the changed slide. Very intuitive, very user-friendly. If we are finished with our slides, we can now export it in PDF, PPTX or Google Slides. We can save the template, or we can also add voices to your slides. Just click on it and now he's creating a podcast video about it. All in one workspace. We have to do nothing here, just clicking and prompting small piece of text. Now he's asking us what we want. We want to have a 2-speaker professional dialogue about it. We don't have to switch between tools here. We have one seamless workflow here. The AI agent just take it all. Very nice. And he's finished. Let's hear it.
Welcome to Future Forward, the podcast that navigates the technology shaping our world.
Hey, Anya.
Today, we're stepping onto the factory floor of tomorrow to explore, the future of robotics and automation.
Yeah.
The classic image is that giant robotic arm, locked away in a cage, endlessly repeating a single task. But that picture is decades out of date, isn't it, Ben?
Absolutely, Anya. That's like comparing a flip phone to a modern smartphone.
Right.
The story today is about intelligent, adaptive...
Just perfect. We have 2 people talking about our topic here. We have the full script. We can export the audio or publish it. Very easy. Very nice. Another great feature is the AI sheets. So we have a prompt of analyzing Christmas sales performance for 2024 and 5 Q4 in Germany for Christmas trees. We hit enter. And now we have a full Excel sheet. Let's full screen it. About the market breakdown by segment, natural trees, artificial trees, alternative trees. We have the trend. We have the revenue. We have the import export. We have multiple pages here like the Nordmann-Tanne charts. Very easy. Very nice. Now we look at the AI developer. We want just a simple page. We have the prompt of a dog service web page and we just hit enter, and it took like a minute and we have a full website. Very nice design, very modern, very friendly, dog specific topics, dog specific content here about our dog service. We can also click on things here. We have also memberships here out of the box. All is responsive. We can full screen it. We can mobile view it. It just works. Next we look at the AI designer to create posters or similar things. We have the prompt of a Christmas sales up to 50% with Christmas decoration. Let's hit it. Well, This is just crazy. Look at these results. He generated 4 different pictures in 4 different variants here, and each one is just perfect. We have our Christmas deco here. We have our Christmas sales up to 50% off. It's just great. We can do further things here. He is suggesting us to create a social media version one-to-one or generate more variations in the warm cozy style, all in one workspace, easy. Next we have the AI image and video feature. We click on AI image. We have generate image or image to video. First we try the generate image. We have the prompt of Santa Claus in a shopping hall surrounded by elves. We have access to the top models like Nano Banana Pro. We have different settings here. Let's choose 60:9 and auto style is fine. We hit enter and voila, we have our perfect picture of Santa Claus in a shopping mall surrounded by elves in a realistic style. Perfect. We can now take it to create a video. Let's do it. We have our image here, we have our same prompt here, we just try it. Again, top models like Veo 3.1, Sora 2 and so much more. We can generate videos in this case up to 12 seconds and we hit enter. Let's look at it. Just perfect. Just nailed it. So if you like Genspark, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.